There are the Jeep keys. There's nothing in the ignition cylinder. The keypad's under here. But I'm not going to show you the code, but if you type in the code, flip up the green, car starts. Then we flip the red one, she shuts down. Works great. Put in the code again, comes back on. Works great. Everything is down in here. Can't really see it, but it's the center console. My center console is kind of broken. The whole thing, just do whatever you want with it. I don't really have any plans for that except for just keeping it tucked down under there. Yep.